Hi, hello, welcome. This is Rajkumar. Today I am going to discuss about the basic difference between culpable homicide and murder. The two of these provisions have been given under section 299 and 300 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. This is the topic where law students gets a little confused. So in order to straight away the confusion, I have brought a very important explanation through this video. So friends, please watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the topic. Before dealing with the difference between the two, it would be first necessary here to have a look at both the sections which defines culpable homicide and murder. All murders are culpable homicides, but not all culpable homicides are murders. Let us look at the definitions of both culpable homicide and murder. Culpable means criminal. Homicide means the killing of a human being by a human being. Section 299 of the Indian Penal Code provides that whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death or with the intention of causing such bodily injury as is likely to cause death or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death commits the offence of culpable homicide. And murder is defined under section 300 of the Indian Penal Code, and according to this act, culpable homicide is considered as murder if the act is committed with an intention to cause death or if the act is done with an intention to causing such bodily injury which the offender has knowledge that it would result in death, or if a person has knowledge that his act is dangerous and would cause death or bodily injury but still commits the act. This would amount to murder. Let's look at the similarities. In both the cases there is intention to cause death. In both the cases, there is killing of a human being. Now, can you spot the difference? The first difference is murder is a special kind of culpable homicide. So here, culpable homicide is genus and murder its species. All murders are culpable homicides, but not all culpable homicides are murders. They are referred to as culpable homicide not amounting to murder and also called manslaughter in some nations. So what's the difference, and more importantly, why the difference? The difference lies in the degree of certainty of death, and the culpability of a person depends on that. You would appreciate the brilliance of law and the philosophy when you fully understand the difference. Let's take two examples. Let's say I know that you walk on a particular road every day to go to your workplace. Now there is a deep pit on the road that is covered by a wooden plank. I intend to kill you. I go and take out the plank thinking that you would probably not notice, fall and die. Now it so happens that you do not notice, fall and die. This is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Here intention is there, death also there, but degree of certainty of death is not so much. Because there is always the chance that you may not notice the pit, or even after falling you may not die. And as opposed to the above, I walk straight to your house with a gun and shoot 10 bullets right in your brain. This is murder. Here also intention is there, death also there as well, but degree of certainty of death is most certain. There lies the difference. The latter deserves to be punished more than the former, even the end result is killing of another human being. That is why law is amazing, because it understands the difference between the two. In the case of Udamram versus State of Rajasthan, the accused killed his wife throughout the day while he was in a drunken state. No weapon was used. It was usual for him to do the beating after drinking. The court held that in such circumstances, the intention to kill could not be inferred, but it could be said that he had knowledge that such a severe beating was likely to cause her death. Conviction was altered to one under section 304 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 304 of the Indian Penal Code provides that whoever causes culpable homicide not amounting to murder shall be punished with imprisonment for life or imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. And section 302 of the Indian Penal Code provides that whoever commits murder shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. And now I did this video because I wanted you guys to have the concept of culpable homicide and murder. So whenever you go through these two terms, you will have certain amount of idea. With that, I am concluding this particular video. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed my channel. Please like, share and comment my video, and all the very best for whatsoever purpose you're watching this video, and thanks again.